Richard Radke here from Chilliwack, Canada, BC. Today I'm going to do a short video with more information about Premier Marketing Academy. I personally welcome and congratulate you for showing an interest in Premier Marketing because you were looking for a simple and a proven system. Well, I want to assure you that Premier Marketing is a proven program, but I see you haven't joined any of the levels yet. Do you mind telling me why you haven't joined any one of the levels yet? Because Premier Marketing is exploding right now. So watch the video again and check all the other information so you can see what a great opportunity that it really is. Are numerous people joining every day, and so I want to encourage you to join any one of the levels immediately. You have a choice of 4 different levels, so one of the levels should be just right for you because that's the only way you're going to be able to make a lot of money. But you probably noticed that from the other testimonial videos. If you didn't listen to them yet, be sure to listen to them now so you can stop struggling and stop worrying. Even newbies are succeeding with Premier Marketing Academy because after you join, you'll get all the information resources right in your back office with a lot of training videos and swipe files and banners. You'll be able to download and copy and display and use those for your own link. Thank you for listening to me today, and I hope you're having a great week. Please give my video a like, and thank you.